Hi guys, I'm Yoruba, but let me also speak Igbo for my beautiful Igbo mom. Mom,
Yes,
look.
dear.
Mom,
there?
look.
What's that?
What is nails in Igbo?
Show me your nails. Okay. Nails. Nails in Igbo is mbo.
Mba,
Mbo.
mbo,
Mbo aka.
mbo aka,
Mbo aka.
mbo aka.
Mbo. Ji m mbọ gị. Lee mbọ nke m. Ji m mbọ nke gị.
Lem, abang. Okay.
Mbo. Mbo. So nails is what?
Mbo,
Mbo. So I've learned that nails is what?
mbo.
Hmm.
Mom, you're the best.
Thank you.